In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments in Notion. If you want to hide or disable comments on a Notion page, the process is very quick once you know where to look. This is useful if you want to keep a page cleaner, reduce distractions, or prevent discussion threads from appearing in that specific page view. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to expect as you change it. Start by opening the Notion page where you want to remove comments. Make sure you are on the correct page first, because this setting applies to the page you currently have open. Once you are there, go to the top right corner of the page and look for the three dots. This is the Page Options menu, and it gives you access to several settings that control how the page looks and behaves. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Customize Page. This section is where Notion lets you adjust specific page features, so if you've ever wanted more control over what appears on a page, this is an important menu to remember. Click Customize Page and a settings panel will open. In that panel, find the option called Page Discussions. This controls whether discussion comments are shown and enabled for that page. If it's currently turned on, that means comments and discussion activity can appear there. To remove comments, simply toggle Page Discussions to off. As soon as you do that, the Page Discussions feature will be disabled for that page. This helps create a more streamlined workspace, especially if you are using the page for documentation, personal notes, or content that doesn't need ongoing conversation attached to it. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to carefully scan the customization panel since settings can sometimes be easy to overlook. Also, remember that this change is page-specific. So if you want to remove comments from multiple pages, you'll need to repeat the same process on each one. And that's it. Open the page, click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Customize Page, then turn Page Discussions off. Once you know where this setting lives, it only takes a few seconds to clean up your Notion page and remove comments.